Hello everyone, I am Undi Gunasegara. In this video, I am going to give a brief description on my project. So first, let's move into introduction. For my project, I wish to create an inventory management, billing, and an online sales system for Liberty Supercenter supermarket, which is planned to start in the next year. Currently, this business is conducted as a normal traditional grocery store named as Pathum Groceries, which is situated in New Angola. The shop owner Sahan Navaratna started this business in 2014, and after 6 successful years, now he has decided to convert this traditional grocery store to supermarket to give customers the experience of a supermarket and to retain in the competitive market. As there are already many supermarket players like Apico, Cargills and Kiehl's in the area, the shop owner plans to provide goods in a lower price than other supermarkets to compete in the market. The shop owner also has decided to change shop name as Liberty Supercenter as a branding strategy to compete in the changing market, and he intends to provide almost all the types of products which are available in a typical Cargill's food city. So these are the contact details of my client. So now let's move into the current process of the business. Currently, all the processes are being handled in a completely manual manner. The present inventory is recorded in books where the shop owner enters all the data manually after receiving stocks. When a customer wants to buy products from this shop, he can visit the shop and buy them. So now let's examine the basic process of purchasing an item. So at first, customer visits the shop and places an order to the cashier. So after that, cashier checks the availability of that product. So after that, cashier provides those goods to the customer. Next, customer pays money to the cashier as requested by him. So after that, cashier writes the bill and issue that bill to the customer. But finally, a copy of the bill is reserved in the shop. So furthermore, once a week, the shop owner checks and refers to those bills and updates the inventory books to keep track of the inventory up to date. So now let's move into problems and weaknesses we can see in this business. So the first problem is inventory recording errors. As inventory is recorded in books manually, a lot of errors occur as shop owners sometimes forget to do the entries and because of wrong entries. So because of that, there are times which shop owner is unable to reorder items in the perfect time. So the next problem, as handwritten bills are given to customers, many errors occur in this process also due to use of wrong item prices and quantities by the cashier. Moving to next problem. Basically, this is an era which online purchasing is being highly used by customers, but there is no any platform for the shop to do online sales. Next problem. Currently, there are very few tools for analyzing and measuring the performance of the business, like creating income statement and balance sheet. But to create those, shop owner has to manually calculate all the sales and stock values. Next problem is that at present, advertising is only done in the shop premises using posters, and no any other advertising strategy is used for this business. So now let's move into solution. So the main aims and objectives of my project are shown in the screen. As currently inventory is managed in a complete manual manner, I wish to implement an inventory management system for a supermarket. And also at present, handwritten bills are given to customers, so I plan to implement a billing system for the business. And this is a time period which online shopping is highly used by customers. And also we saw that there was a very critical time period in this COVID-19 pandemic where we were unable to go to shops to buy products because of the lockdown. So in that time period, online shopping was the only way to buy products. So in my project, I plan to build a website to do online sales to increase sales of the business. At present, shop owner must manually check the stock books and reorder items. But in my proposed system, notifications are given to the shop owner about the decreasing items in the inventory, and the system will notify him about reordering products. In the proposed system, reports are generated and given to the shop owner indicating sales and inventory details, and those reports will help the shop owner to measure and evaluate the performance of the business. So now let's see what is the scope of my project. So this project will mainly focus on the inventory management and billing process of the business. And also this project will focus on developing a website to carry out online sales. So it will basically computerize the business activities presently carried out by the shop owner and the cashier. So now let's see what are the things which are not in the scope of my project. So issuing invoices and paying to the suppliers are not in the scope of my project. And also paying for other expenses such as for electricity, water and building rents are not in the scope. And accepting cash through internet for online sales is also not considered, and money for those online sales will be collected at the time of delivery of products. So now let's see what are the technologies I'm planning to use for my project. So for the front-end development, I'm planning to use React.js, and for the back-end development, I'm planning to use Node.js, and for the implementation of databases, I'm planning to use MongoDB. So that's all for my video. Thank you for watching.